Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you the demo of this new application, iBeam built-up profile. If you're working with built-up sections instead of standard rolled profiles, this tool is for you. As detailers, we know how much time it takes to manually create and manage these profiles, especially across an entire project. That's why we built this application. It works with an Excel sheet where all your built-up profiles are managed, including eye sections, PFC, square hollow sections, and angles. If you need to add a new profile, just update the Excel sheet. It means you don't need to do any additional setup. Let me show you how this application works. Once you double-click and open the application, go to Types. You can see the list of profiles. It is actually reading it from the Excel sheet. When you choose WB Types, it will automatically update your profile list. So I can select any one of these profiles from the drop-down list and create the member. For example, let me go to square hollow section. You can see these are the square hollow sections. And next, if I go to the rectangular hollow section, so you can see the rectangular hollow sections. When you select, it will automatically update the UK profile field and the Australian profile. So this is actually taking the closest Australian profile. For example, let me take 360 UB 56x7, and it will also read the design mark from the Excel sheet. And this information, it is reading it from the Excel sheet. For example, when I choose WB sections, now you take a look at this, the size is 8 now. So to create the profile, let me just click apply, select the application, and pick the first point and second point. So if you want to change the section, just go to the drop-down list and select and click modify. So it will also update the user-defined attributes. When I double-click and open the assembly properties, go to the user-defined attributes. So now you can see it reads the UK profile, Australian profile. You can change the plate name, and this is the assembly name, and this is again the top and bottom flange plate name. Let me create the drawings for the members. So before I open the drawing, let me update the document manager so that it reads the member name from the model and closest Australian profile in title 1. So here is the application, iBeam part values to drawing fields. Let me change this one to comment, and the user defined attribute name is AUS_profile, and select the attribute from the drop down list so that it copies the Australian profile to title 1. So let me just move it to another screen. When I click run, can you see it updates the names directly from the model and reads the closest Australian profile and also the length here. Let me just open the drawing of this member. So you can see it reads the profile equivalent template in the drawing sheet. As you can see, this application will definitely be a huge time saver if you are working with built-up profiles. If you have any question, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.